definitely great to be in the car for the first time, get some impressions, check the car, check the systems, and yeah, test it for the first time. Definitely feels good.
You can see it, it's a first relief, clear, after the effort the whole team spent to bring the car on track. It's a very good result today, but we have a long period of testing now ahead of us, and everybody is looking forward to this and really focused on that, and will be a long, long way until we hit the track for the first time and go racing in January next year.
The car is a lot faster, first of all, and that's what's really cool for us drivers. It's lighter, it's smaller, so it should suit street circuits a lot more. Always on a new car, there's a lot of potential, and it will be important to find a lot of potential in the beginning to be competitive.